going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do the pressure test to figure out what's going on with the Avi. Now excuse the background noise, there's a lot of background noise. I have to work outside because I don't have a place yet, but until I find one it'll be quiet. But until then, we're gonna hear some noise. Now obviously I have the pressure gauge hooked up. I'm gonna show you how to hook it up. I did have these clips of me hooking it up, but the mic wasn't on and it didn't record, so all those are wasted clips, but I'll try to figure out somehow to integrate my clips. Now obviously you just get the right adapter fitting. This is a master kit gauge, so I will leave that kit in the link in the description below for you guys to purchase one. So you find the right adapter fitting and you put it on your fuel rail wherever there's a Schrader valve to connect, or whatever the right fitting is to connect your gauge up to. So basically, Jay Brown, shout out to him. He helped me out tremendously with a lot of stuff. Been giving me a lot of information. So Jay Brown, thank you again so much. Basically, what we're looking for is key on, engine off. You want the reading to be about 55 to 60. That's what I read. Unless I read it wrong, Jay Brown, correct me in the comment section below. But when I'm turning it on, which I'll show you the clips of it being turned on, because those were the ones that didn't have any voice, but you'll see it. It wasn't reading. It was reading about 10 psi and then dropping instantly. So that tells me that there is something wrong with my fuel pump or something in that sort of nature. That is going to be the best place that we can start. So it looks like we are going to end up dropping this tank. Now I was looking around my fuel rail to see if there's a regulator of some sort. My fuel rail doesn't have it. Apparently avalanches in this year, there are two types. There's some with the regulators on the fuel rail and ones like mine. Oh, lucky me, where the fuel pump has the built-in regulator. So what does that mean? We have to drop our tank, change our fuel pump, because that fuel pump comes with the regulator and the filter and everything else that's in it. So everything's always got to be working this channel, but anyway, it's all right. So at least you guys are gonna get to see how to change a fuel pump, and that'll be coming right up. Alrighty guys, so this episode was super short. Reason being, it was raining all day. Like I said, I don't have a specific place to work on these vehicles yet, so everything takes its time. Now I just finished doing the pressure test with the Avalanche, so if you guys are interested in this kit, make sure you check out the link in the description below. It's a master kit. You get everything you want. If you want it, get it. If not, you can find it anywhere else. Whatever you can afford, or whatever you want, if you want it or not. But anyway, it looks like we're dropping the tank, and that's what we're gonna do. So the next episode after this one is how to drop the tank, and I'll see you later. Peace.